afternoon. I know it's a little bit down in light out back here, but as you can see, there's a lot of corners and tight bits we've had to cut in around and things like that. Triangle pieces everywhere, lights, you know, aircon systems and all kinds of things through here. And as you can see, walking along, there's small sections, there's big sections, there's full bays from one end to the other, and there's half bays, and there's quarter bays, and there's third bays, and there's strips, you know, right over to the eaves, ducting, hoses, all kinds of stuff everywhere. But it was actually not a bad job. It's just tediously time consuming. So as I'm walking out here, you can see we've sort of covered all bases. We filled everything up and sorted everything out. You know, there's a lot of room in here under the aircon and things like that. Second room over there, yeah, with 14-foot ceiling. You could almost put 2 more rooms up in here without problems. So, yeah, see over in the eaves now, you can see those. But as you can see, it's a really nice job with poly. Really nice job. It looks immaculate, but very time consuming, very tedious. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. I'll see you later on.